Chef Busy. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you guys doing well. Halal Chef is back with another video, and this time I'm making enchiladas. I'm gonna serve it with a bit of salad. It's gonna be amazing and really tasty. You know what, cooking should be easy. Should only take you around 20-30 minutes in the kitchen. Trust me, you're really gonna enjoy this recipe. Let's get started. Alright, so we're gonna start off by adding in oil. So in goes the chicken. Give this a mix. Cook this until golden brown. Good pinch of salt, pepper. Give this a good mix. In goes the vegetables. Turn up the heat. I'm gonna give it a good mix. Cook this for 4 to 5 minutes. You know, as the vegetables are starting to soften down, I'm just gonna add this half a passata in there. This passata is made with garlic, black pepper, roasted tomatoes. Yum. Give this a good mix and cook it for another 3 minutes. Doesn't that look amazing? Our mixture is now ready. We can turn off the heat. Alright guys, grab a tortilla like this. Gonna add some of the mixture here. A generous amount of mixture goes in the middle. Look at that. Bit more onions. Look at that, amazing. Then you're just gonna fold it. How you fold this is you just do that and that's it. So add that on a baking tray like this one. And now what we're gonna do is, you know, the rest of the sauce, the passata, we're just gonna add it here, okay? Just like that. Nice and easy. Not too much. Just a spoon, I would say, alright? You can add a garlic sauce if you want, you know. It's up to you. I just like to add a tablespoon of that on there. Oh, look at that, amazing. You're gonna add a generous amount of cheese on the top. Nice and easy. Use cheddar, use mozzarella. It's up to you. To be honest, I like cheddar, you know. A bit of strong cheddar, amazing. So now this goes in the oven. So in the oven for 10 minutes, alright? All done. Look at that. Beautiful. Careful, it's hot. Yum. Touch of coriander on there. Amazing. Obviously you can serve it with a bit of salad, you know, make it look nice. There you go. Enjoy. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this. Look at that. Looks amazing. Bismillah. Wow. Alhamdulillah. Oh my god. So delicious. So much flavor as well. Wow. The chicken, the peppers, the onions. Ooh. Make sure you definitely try it. Big for your mom, big for your dad, big for your family. Enjoy. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. Take care, enjoy my videos, and if you have any suggestions, please leave them down below. Salam.